Do you ever find yourself scrolling late at night, promising just one more video, only to realize 30 minutes have passed? You're not alone. Digital detox can be life-changing, but putting down your phone is easier said than done. Today, we'll skip the why and focus on the how. Here are 3 simple steps to implement digital detox to help you reclaim your time, reduce stress, and feel more in control of your device usage. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set a digital curfew. Do you know how much time you spend on your phone? Most of us don't, until we realize hours are slipping away on random scrolling. Setting a digital curfew can help you break this cycle. For example, decide to put your phone down at least an hour before bed. If that feels too challenging, start with just 30 minutes. Use Do Not Disturb mode to silence notifications and let others know you're offline. You'll sleep better, feel more rested, and reclaim your evenings for things that matter. If nighttime isn't your issue, set curfews during other moments, like coffee breaks or commutes, to create pockets of intentional, device-free time. Step 2. Create a device-free zone. What's the one place where you use your phone the most? For many of us, it's the bedroom. Watching videos or scrolling before bed may feel relaxing, but it disrupts sleep and adds unnecessary stress. Make your bedroom a device-free zone. Charge your phone outside the room and consider using a separate alarm clock. By keeping devices out of sight, you'll reduce temptation and create a space for rest and relaxation. If not your bedroom, think of other areas, like the dining table or a cozy reading corner, where you can commit to being fully present without distractions. Step 3. Replace scrolling with meaningful activities. Scrolling often happens because we have spare time. Instead of reaching for your phone, replace it with something intentional. Read a book, journal, or meditate. For those who love learning online, books or magazines can be a great substitute for your phone. Establishing a bedtime routine, like taking a warm bath, stretching, or listening to music, can also make it easier to avoid screens. The idea is to fill your time with activities that relax and recharge you, rather than draining your energy. These 3 steps, setting a digital curfew, creating device-free zones, and replacing scrolling with meaningful activities, are simple but powerful. They'll help you reclaim your time, reduce stress, and focus on what truly matters. Small changes can lead to big improvements in your quality of life. Are you ready to give digital detox a try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.